welcome to another YouTube video. Hi, this is Bhumi and thank you for being here. So as you already know by the title, I'm going to try a few fashion hacks, and also one of my sweet subscribers has suggested me to do some fashion hacks. So yeah, I have seen some fashion hacks from Instagram and some from Snapchat, so I will be trying them out. And also this video is all my type of video because I love every sort of thing related to fashion, but I have never tried any fashion hack as of now. Although I have tried few beauty hacks, but never fashion hacks. So yeah, I will be trying few fashion hacks, and let's see how it turns. I have zero trust in fashion hacks, but I won't judge abhi se hi how it will turn. But yeah, let's see. First hack that I'm going to try is using a string to crop up your sweater. So it's very hot, but still I'm going to try it. So yeah, I will be trying this sweater. This I got from Shein, and I will be trying it. This is oversized. By the way, I love oversized ones, but yeah, it's a hack. So there. Okay, so this sweater I will be using. This is way too loose. Oversized. So yeah, this sweater is this long, is very long. So I will be using this string to crop it up. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to tie it around our waist. I mean, whatever length you want to crop it. So ouch. So just have to make a tight knot so that it does not fall. Okay, so yeah, now we have to pull it from down to make it crop. Jitna you want. More. Ouch. It's not that bad. Yeah, I like this. Oh. And also, I don't think this will fall. You just need to tie your knot very tight. Not that tight too. Okay, not that tight, but at least you have to tie it according to you, according to the tightness you can bear. So this won't fall. So yeah, I'm liking this. Okay, so yeah, I'm liking this. So I would give 9 out of 10. I would rate this 9 out of 10. Yeah, I'm liking. So the next hack is I'm going to use the same string to turn my spaghetti top into a backless top. So yeah, this is the same string I'm using. You can use any color string you want, but I guess black would be more practical. So this is the spaghetti top, and you have to put this around like this, and then you have to adjust your top somewhat like this, and then the string you have like this, you have to put this back. And okay, so you have to do this. Now adjust this accordingly. I have really long hair, so whatever problem I will face. Kahan gaya? Okay, found it. So yeah, again, the ball can put it yaar. Okay, so now this top, this string cross this, and you have to pull this. Ouch, okay. So you have to pull this. Now you have adjusted it. Now adjust this. Now you have to put this part inside this and pull it from here. You have to do the same on the next side. So like this. Ooh. I'm liking this. Okay. You have to pull this back and tie it into a knot. Okay, you don't have to tie it. You really need someone's help. अरे बंद भी जाओ. now that's done. ये कैसा अजीब सा लग रहा, but I can adjust this. कहाँ गया? Oh, I'm liking this. Wow. Oh wow, I'm liking this so much. Oh, this looks so pretty. Wow. I would give it 10 out of 10 on this. So since this is a backless top, so you can remove this. Also, I think if you are not comfortable with wearing a backless one, so you can just wear a tube inside this, so that this won't be that. So yeah, you can just remove, I will remove this and it will be. So yeah, this is how it looks. I am loving the outcome. So okay, I'll go and change now and be right back. Using the same string. You all also might have seen, of course you might have seen. So they use a string to tighten up the loose jeans. I really don't have any loose jeans because I'm very cautious about my size and all, and whenever I order, if I have any size issues, then I get it altered right away. As I generally don't face any alteration ka problem. But okay, I'm going to try this now. So all we have to do this, I'll show you now. You have to put this string in these. And then we have to pull this according to you, how tight you want. Then we have to tie this Okay, so yeah, this was it for this hack, and I feel this works. So yeah, I would give 10 out of 9 to this. One reduction point because I feel string थोड़े बहुत दिख जाएंगे, but still it's a hack. So, but I really love this hack. So you guys can also try this out. It's अब तो इतना भी नहीं निकल रहा. Yeah, I really love this hack. So yeah, it's a thumbs up. Okay, so now let's move on to the next hack. You need a shirt, and so there's a hack in which you can turn this shirt into a deep neck knot top. So okay, I will be trying this, and personally I want a nice scissor. First, what you have to do is tie it from here, not from the end, but from your fourth or your third button area. Tie this, then you have this, you'll get this button, and there's this hole. Have to put the button inside this. You have to lock this with the button. Okay, this is locked. Now this won't come out. Now you have to take the ends, and there's this point where you have to put this inside and pull it. Oh, I'm loving this. Okay, so then you have to do the same on the next side. Oh, I'm loving this. Oh, oh wow, this looks so cool. Okay, since this is a deep neck hack, so if you want, you can just remove the tube. But this looks so cool. Oh, wow, I'm loving this. This is my favorite. This is 10 out of 10. 100,000. Oh god, I love this. Okay, so the fifth hack is, this is very common, but yet I want to try. Using a palazzo pant to turn it into a dress. I never thought I would try this hack, but yeah, let's see. इतना hype है इसका, तो I want this to turn good, but उतना भी कुछ hopes नहीं है मुझे. Okay, so yeah, I'll just change this and then I'll be back. कैसा hack है? Okay, I can adjust this. I really don't like this. I really don't like this hack उतना. Okay, you all can give it a try. If you all like, then you can do this. I guess I should pair this up with the shirt. Okay, so I want to pair this with the shirt. I think ऐसा अच्छा लग सकता है. And then वो knot वाला thing. हाँ, ऐसे I like it. So this way I like it. Okay, so I would rate this palazzo wala hack 6 or 5.5 out of 10, because I would really not prefer doing this, but yeah, I can do only once with this shirt. Otherwise I'm not gonna wear this ever, because I don't like this I don't like this hack. Okay, so now I'm tired. Okay, so now let's move on to the last hack, which is the last hack which I'm going to try is using a pencil skirt to turn it into a tube top. Okay, so yeah, I'll change and I'll be back. So in this I have this pencil skirt. This is really pencil, very long. So I have this skirt. Now I have pulled it ऊपर, अच्छे से एडजस्ट कर दिया है मैंने इसे, और नाउ टू गिव इट अ टॉप लुक, वो ऐसे ही आ रहा है. आई विल जस्ट टक इट, tuck this inside. Okay, so I have tucked this in to give it a very clean, neat top look. Yeah, this looks very pretty. I am in love with this hack. Also, I will rate this 10 out of 10 because I'm surely gonna wear this out often. So okay, this was the last hack of this video. So if you want me to make more fashion hack videos, then please do comment down. I will be back with few new hacks, and also in this video which hack you like the most and you're surely gonna try them. So yeah, comment down your favorite one. So I will be back with many such videos, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I really need subscribers. And also if you feel that this pura mehnat is worth, then also tell your family, tell your friends to subscribe to my channel also. And I will be back with not more good videos. And yeah, since I am a beginner, so there you will find lot of mistakes in my videos. So but I promise the same mistakes I won't repeat. I try not to. So yeah, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So I will see you next time.